Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS layouts. And right now we'll be discussing about image side by side, how to make our image to stay beside each other like this. So, and I just want to show you some code trick right now, because some things they don't tell you about making an image stay beside each other like this. I just want to show you some cool trick. Everything concerning this topic you can find it in our CSS clear playlist or CSS float playlist to be able to follow along easily. So now let me shrink my document. Here is my code right here. I want to show you. Here is my code. As you can see, I'm having right here is I'm having a container which I give it clearfix, and this one we just give it overflow and margin and all that. It's not really important. As you can see, here is the container, and here are the three div boxes. Can you see? Inside the three div boxes, each of them is containing what? It's containing image. Each of the div element is containing image. So one thing I want to show you, if you notice very well, I specify box sizing border box, and I specify float left, and I gave this width, and I give it 33%. What they didn't tell you about this is that if you are giving this thing any value that is not percentage, the way it's going to react is going to be different. So let me show you that. Let's reload our document now. Can you see when I shrink our document? Can you see our document is our images stays beside each other, right? But just imagine you change this from percentage to pixel. Let's just say for instance pixel. Let's reload our document now. Can you see? It's not coming up, it's not coming down. As you can notice, the fullness part, let's now say we increase it, we want it to big. Let's just give it 150 at least. Let's say we need 150, and let's reload our document. As you can see, immediately when we increase it, can you see our image is stacking on top of each other? Can you see how they stack on top of each other? We don't want this to happen. That's why we went ahead to use what? Percentage. And when we use, after we use our percentage, we give it very slow, a very small size, that can fit in anytime we shrink our document. Can you see? We give it a very small size so that when we increasing or decreasing our document, it's going to look nice. So that's just what I want to show you. And don't think it's because of box sizing border box or float left. No, it's not, because the float left is working with it, but it's not really because of it. The main reason is because of this width property we specify and the percentage you give it. That's why it's able to stack beside each other like that. And because you use float left, because this is a block level element, that's why we use float left, so that all of it can come side by side. So let me show you now. Let's say for example we remove this float left now, and we save our document. Let's reload. Can you see now they are stacking on top of each other? Can you see? And when we enlarge it, can you see they are still going to stick together, but they are stacking on top of each other. So by using this float left property, they are going to stay beside each other. So that is the benefit of using the float left. I have already shown you. You can check our CSS float left float playlist to be able to understand everything you need to know about float property. And this box sizing, the usefulness I've shown you in our previous tutorial. So you should go and check it, because it's very nice when you check it. Anytime you use, I just want you to know that anytime you use this float property, make sure you use this box sizing property, so that it can be able to work together with your width and height property very well, because it's going to calculate your width. It's going to make it absolute. So please, and whenever you are specifying padding again, it's not going to disturb your document. It's just going to calculate your padding and the width together and form something nice for you. But once you are having this box sizing, but if you are not having this box sizing property, your document may destroy somehow. may look somehow. Can you see? Our document is still looking nice. Can you see? Can you see? But if you don't have this border box, the document may look different in some ways, but not now. As you can see, still it's not because of, but don't think because of border box. That's why our document is able to stay beside each other. So that's what I want you to know, as you can see now by yourself. So when you bring it there or you leave it there, our document is still going to act nice, but just helping us to control the size very well. That's all. And what akorede ayofe is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time to the next tutorial. Peace and love.